Welcome everyone. I am here with the topic Ganga Brahmaputra River Basin. In this, we will discuss all the tributaries of Ganga Brahmaputra river basins as well as the mythology of River Ganga and the sentiments which are attached with River Ganga. River Ganga is considered sacred and as the goddess Ganga. Hindus and Buddhists believe bathing in river causes remission of the sins and facilitate moksha. It is known by the different names as the Bhagirathi, Jahanavi, Sapteshwari, Tridhara, Meghna, and the mantra Om Gangaye Nama Ungam. And the weapons trident, discus, throw, which is used as the one of a game. Kalash, that is pitcher. The Vahana Makara, the festival Shera. As the story goes, King Saga and his wife Sumati have 60,000 sons. They performed Ashwamedha Yagna. Ashwa sacrifice is the tradition in that Ashwamedha Yajna, where those who have any claim, then they have to fight with that king. But the Indra was jealous and he stole the horse, and he don't want that King Sagar should become that much powerful. So Sagar told his sons to find the horse. They found it tied near to the ashram of Kapila Rishi. He was meditating and was in dhyana from many years, that Kapila Rishi. And Sagar's sons misbehaved and said bad words to Rishi. He told that why you have this horse here, so you have to fight the battle. So Rishi got annoyed and his dhyana was disturbed. He opened the eyes and in eye gaze he sees all 60,000 sons of the Sagar. Now, as Sagar was unhappy, he wanted to do the last rites and have to give Nir Panjali to submerge the ashes. For that, it can be only by the emerging ashes in Ganga water. I told that to get rid of the sins of 60,000 sons. Ganga was the river of Devas in heaven. So how could it happen? So it was told that Ganga to be brought on earth, but it requires hard meditation to bring her on earth. And due to administrative reasons, no king could do that. In the kingdom, bad start happening. In the lineage of Saga, King Bhagiratha. So here comes that the story that why it is known as the Bhagirathi also. So King Bhagiratha tried to meditate. So to prosper the kingdom, Kosala, present day in UP, he gave kingdom for the time being to his trusted minister. He went to mountains and meditated for almost 1,000 years, and at last Lord Brahma appears. Asked for reasons to call him in prayers. He told his story and requested that he want Ganga on earth. Brahma told it's very difficult to bring her on earth as the pressure of Ganga could not be tolerated by earth. It will destroy. So you meditate Shiva. May he help. He meditated for 1 year. And then the Shiva appears and asks that what's the issue? Why is he meditating? So Bhagirath told his story. And Lord Shiva said, okay, he is ready. And if the Brahma allows the Ganga to appear in on the earth, so I am ready to hold her. So now Ganga was sent on earth, and Lord Shiva opened his locks on hair of hairs, and Ganga could not budge even an inch of Lord Shiva. You can see that Ganga it is coming down on the earth, and Shiva have opened locks of hairs that Ganga is appearing on the earth. Brahma have two sons. One is Himmat and one is Jamvan, which is known as Rishakraj also in Ramayana. And that's Himmat with wife Mena have three childs. One was Ganga, Parvati and Mainak. So Himmat is the him means baraf, snow covered with, that is the Himalaya. So Ganga with the Shantanu have two childs. The Ganga have the two childs, Bhishma and Narmada. Bhishma also called Gangaputra or Shantanuputra. See here, this river is Bhagirathi river, and this river is Alaknanda. Where it meets, it is known as a Devprayag. This is the Devprayag. And where the Mandakini river, which is coming from the Kedarnath, this joins at Rudraprayag. And this is a Pindar river, which is joining to the Alaknanda, and it is at Karanprayag. Then here is the river which is coming from and it is here where it joins the Alaknanda. It is known as Nanda Prayag. And the Dhola Ganga joins here at the Vishnu Prayag. And here this Bhagirathi river, it is joined by Bilangana river. And here is the old Tehri. Now afterwards it is known as a river Ganga, where the Bhagirathi and Alaknanda meets. It's known as a river Ganga, the northern plains, and at last goes to the Bay of Bengal. So here that which we have discussed, part 3, geographical aspect of river Ganga. Bhagirathi and Alaknanda meets Devprayag, forms Ganga. Ganga originates from Gangotri glaciers near Mansarovar, that is Kailash, abode of Shiva. Now Ganga comes to plain area at Haridwar. When it enters at Haridwar, now from that side, that area, that plains started. Ganga forms distributaries the West Bengal, known as Hooghly, and one goes to Bangladesh as known as the Padma. Now this is the plain area of river Ganga, from where it drains toward the Bay of Bengal. And here comes the river Brahmaputra, that we will discuss, and the tributaries of river Ganga. This is the Ganga river and the Yamuna river, and they merge. Then we will discuss about the Ghagra river, Ram Ganga river, Gomti river, Gandak, Ghagra, Kosi, Tista, as well as the tributary of Yamuna, that is the Chambal, Betwa, Tamsa, and Son, which merge with the river Ganga, and the Damodar river. We will discuss. So here's it is the first Ram Ganga, east and west Ram Ganga. It is the source known as Diwali Khal. West originates at the Dudatoli range, Himalayas, Uttarakhand. East originated from the Namik Glacier, Pithoragarh, UK, joins Sarju River at the Rameshwar, and it merges into Kali, Sharda River. And Jim National Corbett Park also lies in this river. Tributaries of this Ramganga river are the Vinod, Ghagas, Nail, Piga, Khalia, Dela, Naya, and Ganga Dashera is saluted at Chaubari, Bareilly, UP. Here, so that is the main importance of this river Ganga, and it drains almost 596 kilometers. Tributary of river Ganga, that is Gomati. It is the daughter of sage Vasishtha. Ekadashi bath is considered as the sacred bath, and tributaries are Sukata and the Katira. And it finds the Gomati Chakra. Chakra is found in the snail's shell, and it originates from the Gomati Tal Fular Jheel, Madhotanda Pilibhit in UP, and it meets Ganga at Saidpur Gazipur, and it's almost 100 kilometers length. Third one is Ghagra. It is known as Karnali in Nepal, originates from Mapcha Chunga Glacier, meets Ganga at Chhapra, Bihar, It is almost 1080 kilometers distance, and total from Chichopani, which is at the border of India and Nepal, 507 kilometers traveled in Nepal. The tributaries are Bheri, Sarju, Kawana, Seti, Dharwar, Sarda, Budhi Ganga, and Budi Ganga. Fresh river Ganga dolphins are found in this region, which are known as the Susu also. So we discussed Ghagra, and now we will discuss the Gandak. Gandak is known as Narayani, and it arises from the Nubian Himal Glacier. This is the Himalaya Glacier. Himalaya Glacier is from the parts of Nepal, and it merged at the Bihar, so Hajipur. Tributary of Ganga, Budi Gandak, originated near Bisampur, West Champaran, known Sikrana, and meets Khagaria, Bihar to Ganga, and it's almost 320 kilometers. We will discuss about the Kosi River, which is also known as the Sorrow of Bihar. Kosi originates from Tibet. It is known as Saptakoshi in Nepal. Saptakoshi means seven rivers, and there are number of tributaries. One is Tamor from west side of Kanchenjunga, and toward the right side Tista flows, and Tista flows toward the Sikkim area, and Tamor from the Nepal towards the Indian part. Arun, Sun, Kosi, Kamda, Bagnati, Budi Gandak, Dudh Koshi, Bhote, Bhote Koshi, Tama Koshi, Likhu, Indravati, etc. are the tributaries of river Koshi, and it joins Ganga at Kursela in Katihar, Bihar, and it is almost 729 kilometers. Next is Mahanada. This Mahananda river, it flows from the West Bengal part, that is the Darjeeling part of part. So originate from Pagjhora Falls, Mohali Dariam hills of Darjeeling, West Bengal, and have the tributaries Balasan, Mechi, Kankai, Tangan, Naga, etc. Enters Bangladesh for 3 kilometers at Tintulia. Then again it comes toward India. Then joins Ganga at Godagiri, Nawabganj, Bangladesh, and it's almost 360 kilometers. So here we discussed about the left side tributaries of river Ganga, and this Tista, which we will discuss, and up to Mahananda. This is the Mahananda river, and this is the river Brahmaputra. Now we will go through the river Brahmaputra, and we'll try to know it. Now this is a tributary of Ganga, Brahmaputra. Left-handed we will discuss. It's a male river, son of Brahma. It's known as Sangpo in Tibet, and originate from the Bhagirath Glacier, Mansarovar, near to Ganga Glacier. Ganga comes from the Uttarakhand area, and it comes from the China part towards Arunachal Pradesh, then enters into the Assam. Tributaries are Siang, Lohit, Dahasari, Raidak, Jaldaka, Kamang, Manas, Beki, Subansari, Tista, etc. And it is almost 3080 kilometers long distance, which covers from the source of origin from that China part, and some says it is a 3848 kilometers. Dola Sadia bridge is the longest in India, 9.15 kilometers, and which joins Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. Tributaries of Ganga Brahmaputra, that this Brahmaputra, it's known as a Siang in high when it enters from the China part. When it enters towards the India, it is known as Siang in high areas, and when it enters toward the plain side of the Arunachal Pradesh, it is known as Diang, and then in the upper parts of the Assam, when it is known also as by the name Lohit. and when it enters toward the lower side of the Assam, it is known as Brahmaputra, and when it enters to Bangladesh, there it is known by the Jamuna, not Yamuna. Yamuna is tributary of Ganga. This is Jamuna, Jamuna, Jamuna. And the tributaries left side are the Dibang, that is in this area Adi and Idu tribe, that is one of a famous, that is the two famous tribes of this area in Arunachal Pradesh. Lohit in Namcha Barwa Pass, and Dahasiri from Nagaland, Kalong, the one of a river of Assam, and the right side Raidak, Jaldhaka, Kameng, Manas, Beki. Now here is some that other facts about this Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra River, Sadia Bridge, which is also known as Bhupen Hazarika Setu, and Bodo says it as Burlog Butter. And in the upper parts of Assam, it divides into two parts. This Brahmaputra River at Dibrugarh and Lakhimpur divides into that two parts, and here one is known as in the northern Kherkutia, and another one is known as southern Brahmaputra, and it forms almost the divide of 100 kilometers, and in between is the that land area. Here it flows and it's the land area, and this is the largest riverine island known as Majuli, and when it enters downside towards the Shillong part, it is of very narrow width, 1 kilometer, whereas in the upper parts, many parts, it is almost 20 kilometers of the width. Now, one of the other importance of this river is famous battle of Saraighat that was fought. It was a naval battle between the Mughals and the Ahom kingdom. Mughals were led by Ram Singh, first Kachwa king, and he was defeated by Ahom kingdom led by Lashit Borphukan, and Guwahati was retaken from the Mughals. So we will know few of the tributaries of Brahmaputra. Kameng, which originates from the Tawang, and it forms the boundary between earlier Kamta kingdom, later between the Ahom and the Borobuhiya kingdom, and it is almost 246 kilometers of the stretch. And another one is Manas. It also drains in Bhutan. It is also known as Mansa, goddess, Devi of serpent, at 376 kilometers. And another one is the Subansari, near Mansarovar Lake. It is the largest tributary of Brahmaputra, joins at Lakhimpur, Assam, 442 kilometers length. Then the other rivers which comes from the Bhutan, that is Drangme river, then the Beki river, Raidak river, and one is the Tista river. It is from the Sikkim. It is 315 kilometers almost, and it comes from the Jemi glacier and Kanchenjunga, which is the highest mountain peak of India. At Fulchari, Bangladesh, it meets. So now we will discuss the tributaries of Yamuna. This Yamuna river joins the river Ganga at Prayagraj, Allahabad, and here it joins. It is joined by the river Tons. This is the river which joins here, and the Betwa, Kain, and Son, and many other small rivers. Yamuna, it rises from the Yamunotri glacier, Saptarishi Kund, Banderpur Peak, Himalayas. Tributaries are Hindan. Pandavas prayed here before going for Lakshagriha in this river Hindan. Chambal, Janapav Hills, Vindhyachal ranges, Kali, Sindh, Betwa, Kain, Banas, and this is almost 1376 kilometer of a stretch. So one is the Tons, This is originates from Gadwal, Bandarpunch, Uttarakhand. Near Kalsi, it enters toward the Himachal Pradesh, meets Yamuna near Dak Patthar. It is almost 150 kilometers. Some says and have relation with the with the Saraswati River. Second is Tamsa from Tamakond Camo ranges of Madhya Pradesh, joins Ganga Sirsa UP. Connection with Rama during exile, when Ram was given the 14 years exile, so he spent here first night. And it is also assumed that Sita also stayed here when she was also exiled from, and with her sons Love Kush. And here the Valmiki Rishi ashram was also, it is assumed, and it is almost 264 kilometers of strength. Then next one is Son, near Amarkantak, originates in Madhya Pradesh. It's the second largest tributary after the Yamuna of Ganga, and it meets Ganga near Patna, 784 kilometers. And these are the right-sided tributaries of Ganga which we are discussing from the Tons which merge with the river Yamuna. Then Yamuna is also right side tributary, and the next is Punpun, means again Pun means Pun. That it rises from Palamu district, Chota Nagpur plateau, Jharkhand, and it joins Ganga at Fatua, 200 kilometers of total strength, that stretch of this river. Chhat Puja celebration is celebrated on this river basin. Next is Falgu river. Falgu is also one of a famous river of India. Niranjar and Mohana are the two rivers which meets together to form this Falgu river, sacred for Pindadan, for ancestors, Pitra Shraddha. Or it is assumed that Sita also offered here Pinda for the Dashratha, and flows past Gaya, Bihar, sacred for Hindus and Buddhists. It's assumed as an embodiment of Vishnu, and Lord Vishnu's temple is also on its bank. Rises from Tisri Hill Range, Kharagdigha Girdi, Jharkhand, joins Ganga near Surajgarh, 111 kilometers. Next is Karmanasa river. Sarodagr Range, Camo district, Bihar, meets Ganga near Chausa, Bihar, and Bada of Gazipur, Uttar Pradesh. The range between this Gazipur and the Chausa, Bihar, 192 kilometers, 116 flows in Uttar Pradesh and 76 kilometers in Bihar. Trishanku story of Vishwamitra is famous with this Karmnasha river, that Vishwamitra want to make another universe, and Indra was worried that if it will be make another universe, then it can create a problem. Indra want to destroy, and it is assumed that when Indra fought that battle with the saliva dripping that came out, and it is known that this river is born. Next is the Chandan river, also known as Champa, originates at Bhagalpur, Bihar. Champa was the capital also of Anga Mahajanpada's that kingdom time in ancient India. Then next is Damodar. It do not joins the river Yamuna, neither the whole Ganga. It joins the distributary of river Ganga, that is Hooghly, in the West Bengal part. Also known as Sorrow of Bengal, as it brings lots of floods to Bengal, and property is damaged. Originates Chula Pani Latehar, Chota Nagpur plateau of Jharkhand. Its name Damodar means Dam means rope, and Udar means belly. So link with the Krishna also. Now it's one of the polluted river, rich with minerals and coal mines. 590 kilometers, 92 kilometers of total strength, and meets Hooghly and at West Bengal. Now this is the river Ganga. It is a river Brahmaputra. It is the Brahmaputra, which is known as Jamuna. It is a river Ganga, which is known as Padma in Bangladesh. And when though these two rivers joins together, it is known as Meghna. Hope you would have known little bit of the river Ganga and Brahmaputra basin, as well as the mythology of river Ganga. Thank you.